I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love this Connecticut river. I love you. I love you. I love you. Sending out my love to the water, my love to the air, my love to the earth, my love to you, sacred, beautiful human beings, sacred, beautiful water beings. I send my love to you. Today is Christmas Day. I'm here on the Connecticut River in Northampton, Massachusetts, loving the water, loving life, loving the air, loving the sun, the earth, the fire, the air, the water. Return, 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 return. And I shall sing that song of Kathy Lowe. The earth, the air, the fire, the water, return, 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 return. Actually, it is a song that Kathy sings, but I believe it is written by another. The earth, the air, the fire, the water, return, 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 return. The earth, the air, the fire, the water, return, 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 return. Aye, 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 yo, 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 yo. Aye, 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 yo, 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 yo. The earth, the air, the fire, the water, return, 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 return. The earth, the air, the fire, the water, return, 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 return. Ay, 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 ayo, 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 ayo. May the earth and the air and the fire and the water and the ether and all that there is come into balance. Balance and love, balance and care, balance and harmony. I'm Janie King here on my water blessing walk, house sitting here in Amherst, Massachusetts, along the Connecticut River in Northampton right here now. I came here specifically to this state park, Connecticut River Greenway State Park, to bless the water, to love the water, and to connect with you, and to remind you who you are. Mini Wichoni, water is life, as the Lakota people say. Support Standing Rock and the water protectors there at the Sacred Stone Camp. Support yourself. Who are you? What changes do you wish to make in your life in this coming year? As the light returns, as winter solstice has just passed and the light, the daylight, the sunlight returns, longer and longer days. What changes do you desire in your life? How can you make those changes? I ask you to look in deeply into yourself and sit quietly and be with yourself in a way that perhaps you never have been. And ask for guidance from within and from without, from the ethers, but from your higher self. Ask for guidance from the water that flows within you and all around us. Ask for guidance. I pray that we all come together in unity soon and love ourselves and love the earth as one. Homatapyasan.